Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a logo using Canva for free. So let's get started. So first of all you have to open your Chrome browser, open your profile. In the search URL box you have to search for canva.com. Open canva.com. I will maximize it. Okay, and after opening the Canva website, you have to register with a free account. You can use your Gmail account to log in on the Canva website. After logging on the Canva website, go to this option, create a design option. Click on it. Now here you have to search logo. Now you can see this first one. You can create logo as well as animated logo. I will show you the first logo. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you hundreds of templates which you can choose for your logo. For example, I want to make a logo for my cafe, so I will search cafe logo. Now you can see various suggestions I got from Canva. It's super cool and very much stunning, so I think this one looks cool. You can also change the text by double clicking on it and change the text. For example, I want to type Aryan burger. You can change the color as well as go to this option A, then choose the color and color is changed. You can also change the object from size as well as this font size. Go to this one and choose your font size. After doing all the modifying your logo, go to this share option and click on download. Adjust the maximum size and click on download, and your logo will be downloaded. Now guys, this is the video on how to make a logo for free on canva.com. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.